Okie dokie, the next challenge from Scott. So he's taped all that off. Wants me to do something here. He said leave it bright there. So I'm going to do my base in a navy. And I haven't put my gloves on, but there you go. So I'm going to do a navy base for this one. This is just pre-mixed with the pouring medium as in the box below. I'm going to go over it with my spatula. Well, it will be interesting to see what he's got in his head for these particular airbrush embellishments that he's going to do over the top. I think I know what he might be doing, but you can never tell with men, hey? So I need to put my gloves on because I need to just make sure I go over the edges. So I've just put my gloves on and I'm just going to use my fingers in the paint to actually coat the edges. It's the quickest and easiest way to do this. I made a mistake and I didn't put my push pins in the bottom of this and I'm going to regret it, but I have to put it straight onto a drying rack after. But always use my push pins, so I'm not sure what I was thinking. I was probably too concerned that, oh my goodness, what am I going to do? How am I going to do it? That's what the point is when you're challenged. I just don't, it's you know, gets a little bit hairy for me. I don't like it. Okay, so I'm going to keep some white in there. Maybe fill it with white. And I am going to put some yellow. And some orange. I might run some orange down that away. And some yellow. Not sure. I thought I had some red mixed up, but it's magenta, so I might just put a little line of magenta here, there and everywhere. By the look, it's not consistent, but there you go. Now I'm going to use this Berry Delicious here to swipe with right the way through, and we'll see. So I might use just this soft plastic file divider again, that piece, and see how it comes out. So just swiping it nice and easy through there. You'd probably come and say, well, that's not what I meant. But you know what? Then my challenge to him will be, just deal with it, boy. Just deal with it. So I'm sure you all can't wait to see what he does with these particular paws, which I am intrigued for what he's got in his brain for these. Wow. Okay, I'm going to just go over with my heat gun. That's number 2. Wow. Okay. I'm going to leave number 2 and then I will get on to number 3.
you.